exercise on exponential equation. Okay, that I'm just how to solve an equation that contains an exponent. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, what's the solution set of the equation? Okay, for the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to for the power of 2x minus 1 plus 126. So what's the force of x that makes this equation equilibrium equation and value for x and particular? So for the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to for the power of 2x minus 1 plus 126. So for the power of 2x plus 2 is the same with for the power of 2x times for the power of 2 is equal to for the power of 2x times for the power of minus 1 plus 126. Is the same with for the power of 2x times 4 square is 16. Again, this is the same with for the power of 2x times for the power of minus 1 is the same with 1 over 4 plus 126. So collecting narrows the angle. That is for the power of 2x times 16 minus for the power of 2x times 1 over 4 is equal to 126. So let okay, for the power of 2x is equal to a university. For the power of 2 is equal to a. So that is for the power of 2x a kahona a times 16 minus a times 1 over 4 is equal to 126. So it's the same with 16a minus a over 4 is equal to 126. So here's cross binary 16 ባዛ በአራት that is 64 a minus a over 4 is equal to 126 ይሆናል። 64a minus a is 63a over 4 is equal to 126. So this is the same with 63a is equal to 126 times 4 ይሆናል። So both sides divided by 63 by 63. So 63 by cancelled by 63. A is equal to so a በሶስት 21 ይሆናል። በሶስት አራት 42 ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ ሶ በሰባት 3 ይሆናል። በሰባት 6 ይሆናል። አጌን በሶስት 1 ይሆናል። በሶስት 2 ይሆናል። So from this point the value of a is equal to that is 2 times 4 which is 8 ይሆናል። Just we have said that let for the power of 2 is equal to a. That means for the power of 2x is equal to 8 ይሆናል። ከዚህ ላይ 4 is the same with to the power of 2 times to the power of x which is equal to 8 is the same with to the power of 3. So this is the same with to the power of 4x is equal to the power of 3. To the power of 4x is equal to the power of 3 የሚሆነው ቤዛቸው እኩል ከሆነ ኤክስፖነንታቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። that means 4x is equal to 3 ይሆናል። so over 3 over 4 over 4. So x is equal to 3 over 4 ይሆናል ማለት that means when the value of x is equal to 3 over 4 for the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to for the power of 2x minus 1 plus 126 ይሆናል ማለት so the answer is a ይሆናል because a 3 over 4 b 6 c 3 d empty space ይሆናል so the answer is a ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so question number 2. What's the solution set of 25 the power of 1 minus x is equal to 125? Again እዚህ ጋር ቤዛቸውን ማመሳሰል አለብን። that is 25 is the same with 5 the power of 2 into 1 minus x is equal to 125 is 5 cube. It was the same base. So ምንድነው የሚሆነው ይሄ 5 the power of 2 minus 2x is equal to 5 the power of 3 ይሆናል። ቤዛቸው እኩል ነው። so ኤክስፖነንታቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። that means 2 minus 2x is equal to 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to 2x ይሆናል። 2 minus 3 is minus 1 which is equal to 2x. Both sides divided by 2 divided by 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት so question number 2 a 1 over 2 b 1 over 4 c 3 over 2 d minus 1 over 2 ይላል so the answer is d which is minus 1 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 3, the solution set of the equation, okay? Question number 3, the solution set of the equation, a square root of 5, the power of x, okay, times 5 the power of x square minus 1 is equal to 0.2. So what's the value of x that makes this equation equal? So square root of 5 the power of x is the same with 5 the power of x over 2 ይሆናል times 5 the power of x square minus 1. It's the same with 2 over 10. They have the same base, that is a the power of m times a the power of n. የተባለው ምንድነው የሚሆነው? That is a the power of m plus n ይሆናል። when you go ተመሳሳይ ቤዝ ካላቸው ኤክስፖነንታቸውን አድ ማድረግ ነው። so this is the same with 5 the power of x over 2 plus x square minus 1. This is equal to 2 over 10 is the same with 1 over 5, right? 1 over 5 ይሆናል። So 5 the power of x over 2 plus x square minus 1 is equal to 1 over 5 is the same with 5 over 5 the power of minus 1. So exponentaቸው እኩል ነው። So that is a the power of x is equal to a the power of y. Could you know if and only if x is equal to y is equal no. So 5 the power of x over 2 plus x square minus 1 is equal to 5 the power of minus 1. Could you know if x over 2 plus x square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That means x over 2 plus x square. See now what is the transfer minus 1 plus 1 ይሆናል. That is x square plus x over 2 is equal to 0. This one is quadratic equation now. Factorize ማድረግ እንችላለን. The common factor for this one is x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. x into x plus 2 0 የሚሆነው x is equal to 0 or x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0 1. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So the solution set is 0 comma minus 1 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 3, b 0 a 1 comma minus 1 over 2, b 0 comma minus 1 over 2, c 0 comma 1 over 2, d 2 comma minus 1 over 2 ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ መልሱ b 0 comma minus 1 over 2 ይሆናል። Okay, question number 4, what's the solution set of 0.1 the power of y is equal to cube root of 10 the whole square. Okay, the value of y that makes 0.1 the power of y is equal to cube root of 10 the whole square. So ለመስራት ምንድነው የምናደርገው? 0.1 is the same with 1 over 10 the power of y is equal to cube root of 10 is 10 the power of 1 over 3 the power of 2 ይሆናል። So 1 over 10 is the same with 10 the power of minus 1 the power of y is equal to 10 the power of 1 times 2 is 2 over 3. So 10 the power of minus y is equal to 10 the power of 2 over 3. So 10 equal with 10, so minus y is equal to 2 over 3 ይሆናል። So both sides divided by multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 4 is minus 2 over 3 which is a ላይ minus 3 over 2, b 2 over 3, c minus 2 over 3, d 1 over 3. So the answer is c which is minus 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 5, if for the power of x is equal to 7, for the power of x is equal to 7, okay, what's the value of for the power of minus 2x? That is for the power of minus 2x is equal to blah. That is for the power of x is equal to 7. What does the value of for the power of minus 2x for the power of minus 2x? So in okay, for the power of x is equal to 7 for the power of minus 2x. What's the value of for the power of minus 2x? Okay, so for the power of minus 2x is the same with for the power of x the power of minus 2 ማድረግ እንችላለን because x times minus 2 is minus 2x and it's given that for the power of x is 7. So እዚህ ጋር 7ን ሪፕሌስ እናደርጋለን. This is equal to 7 the power of minus 2 ይሆናል. And this is the same with 7 the power of minus 1 the power of 2 ማለት ነው። 7 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 7 and the whole square. So this is the same, 1 square is 1 and 7 square is 49. So the answer is 1 over 49 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ question number 6. Okay, question number 6. If 3 the power of minus x, 3 the power of minus x is equal to 2. So what's the value of 3 the power of 2x? So 3 the power of 2x is equal to blank. So 3 the power of minus x is equal to 2. 3 the power of 2x ስንት ይሆናል ነው። So based on this formulation ማለት ነው. So this is the same with 3 the power of minus 1 the power of x is equal to 2 ይሆናል. So from this one this is 1 over 3 the power of x is equal to 2. ይህ ማለት ደግሞ 1 the power of x over 3 the power of x is equal to 2 ይሆናል. 1 the power of x is the same as 1. Okay, 1 over 3 the power of x is equal to 2 over 1 ይሆናል. ክሪስ እናድርገው እስኪ 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 2 times 3 the power of x ይሆናል. So from this one go say divide by 2, divide by 2. 1 over 2 is equal to 3 the power of x ይሆናል። እኛ ደግሞ የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው? what the value of 3 the power of 2x. So 3 እዚህ ጋር okay 3 the power of 2x is the same with 3 the power of x times the power of 2 ይሆናል። 3 the power of x is 1 over 2, okay, the power of 2. 1 over 2 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So the answer is 1 over 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 6. So question number 7, okay, question number 7. If 16 times 3 the power of x is equal to 81 times 2 the power of x, okay, 16 times 81 times 2 to the power of, then what's the value of x? Okay, 16 times 2 to the power of x is equal to 81 times to the power of x. So let's make it. Okay, let's make it also divided by 81 divided by 81 by 81. So from this one we can get 16 over 81 times 3 to the power of x is equal to the power of x. So ከዚህ ላይ okay, so I'm going to write this 16 over 81, 3 to the power of x is equal to the power of x. So let's divide both sides by 3 over x. In 1 over 3 to the power of x times 1 over 3 to the power of x. So 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x. 16 over 81 is equal to 2 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x. So 16 is the same with 2 to the power of 4 over 81 is the same with 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x. So exponential ተመሳሳይ ነው. That means that is a to the power of m over a to the power of m over b to the power of m ብንባል okay, this is the same with a over b the power of m ማድረግ እንችላለን. So 2 to the power of 4 over 3 to the power of 4 they do have the same exponent and different bases. ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን? 2 over 3 the power of 4 is equal to እዚህ ጋር ኤክስፖነንታቸው x ነው ቤዛቸው የተለያየ ነው. So it's possible to make 2 over 3 the power of x ይሆናል. 2 over 3 the power of 4 is equal to 2 over 3 the power of x if and only if x is equal to 4. When the value of x is equal to 4, 16 the power of 3x is equal to 81 the power of 2x ይሆናል ማለት ነው. Okay, question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Because the following is the true values of x in, okay, 125 over 27 the power of x is equal to cube root of 0.6. So አሁን ወይ ቤዛቸውን ማመሳሰል ወይ ደግሞ ኤክስፖነንታቸውን ማመሳሰል ይጠበቅብናል. So 125 is the same with 5 the power of 3 and 27 is the same with 3 the power of 3 the power of x is equal to cube root of 0.6 is that is cube root of 0.6 the power of 1 over 3 ማለት ነው። Okay, so cube root of this one is question number 8. The cube root 0.1. Okay, 5 of the power of 6. So this is the same as 5 over 3 the power of 3x. Okay, exponentaቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። Okay, so 5 over 3 the power of 3x is equal to 0.6 is the same with 6 over 10 the power of 1 over 3 ይሆናል። So this is the same with 5 over 3 the power of 3x is equal to by 2 3 by 2 5, that is 3 over 5 the power of 1 over 3 ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ሬዳል ምንድን ነው? a over b is equal to b over a the power of minus 1 ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው። that is 2 over 3 is the same with 3 over 2 the power of minus 1 ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው። because this is the same with 3 the power of minus 1 over 2 the power of minus 1 ይሆናል። 3 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 3 and 2 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 2 ይሆናል። so reciprocal ስናደርግ 1 over 3 times 2 over 1 ይሆናል, which is the same with 2 over 3 ይሆናል። so by this rule 5 over 3 the power of 3x is equal to 3 over 5 ማመሳሰል አለብን ነው። ስለዚህ 5 over 3 the power of minus 1 the power of 1 over 3 ይሆናል። So from this one, 5 over 3 is the power of 3x is equal to 5 over 3 is the power of minus 1 the power of 1 over 3. So the power of 5 over 3 is equal to 5 over 3 now. So that is 3x is equal to minus 1 times 1 over 3 is minus 1 over 3 ይሆናል። So both sides divided by 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 and multiplied by 1 over 3. 3 cancelled by 3, x is equal to minus 1 over 9 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 8 is C, which is minus 1 over 9 ይሆናል። Okay. Question number 9. What is the solution set of 9 the power of 2x minus 1 times 16 the power of x minus 0.5 is equal to cube root of 36. The question is what? What is the solution set of 9 the power of 2x minus 1 times 16 the power of x minus 0.5 is equal to cube root of 36. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ማድረግ አለብን ወይ ቤዙን ማመሳሰል ወይ ኤክስፖነንትን ማመሳሰል ይጠበቅብናል። So 9 is the same with 3 the power of 2 into 2x minus 1 times 16 is the same with 2 the power of 4 into x minus 0.5 is equal to cube root of 36 is 36 is the power of 1 over 3. So this is the same with 3 the power of 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times 1 is 2 times 2 times 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 0.5 is, which is 2, is equal to 36 is 6 the power of 2, the power of 1 over 3. So they do have the same exponent and different bases. ቤዛቸው የተለያየ ነው and they do have the same exponent. ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? This is the same with 3 times 2 the power of 4x minus 2. 3 times 2 is 6, right? 3 times 2 the power of 4x minus 2 is equal to 6 the power of 2 over 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, the power of 4x minus 2 is equal to 6 the power of 2 over 3 ይሆናል። 6 is equal to 6 ስለዚህ ኤክስፖነንታቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። 4x is equal minus 2 is equal to 2 over 3. So 4x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 2 ይሆናል። 4x is equal to over 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 3. 4x is equal to 8 over 3. Both sides multiplied by 1 over 4 by 1 over 4. X is equal to by 4, 1 by 4, which is 2. So the answer is 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 9, 2 over 3, which is B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 10, okay? The solution set of the equation to the power of x squared is equal to 2 over 8 the power of x plus 1. ለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው እዚህ ጋር to the power of x squared is equal to the power of 1 over 8 is the same with to the power of 3 into x plus 1 ይሆናል። So from this one to the power of x squared is equal to the power of 1 over to the power of 3x plus 3. ስለዚህ እንዲህ ከሆነ ደግሞ a the power of m over a the power of n ከሆነ this is the same with a the power of m minus n ነው የሚሆነው። So by using that formula, okay, to the power of x squared is equal to the power of 1 minus into 3x plus 3. To the power of x squared is equal to the power of 1 minus 3x minus 3. So this is the same with to the power of x squared is equal to the power of 1 minus 3 is minus 2, right? Minus 2 minus 3x. So you have the same base. So this exponent እኩል መሆን አለበት. That is x squared minus plus 2, that is x squared is equal to, okay? X squared is equal to minus 2 minus 3x. So ችኛው ወደዚህ ትራንስፈር ብናደርግ x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, this one is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ደግሞ ለመስራት ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ስንደምራቸው 3 ስናባዛቸው 2. The two numbers are 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2 ይሆናል። ሶ ይህንን በፋክተራይዜሽን ሜተድ እዚህ ተክተን መስራት እንችላለን። ኢንሾርት ግን የዚህን ኮፊሸንት አንድ ነው። ኢንሾርት መልሱን ለማግኘት ምንድነው የምናደርገው? የዚህኛውን ኮፊሸንት ተቃራኒ እናደርጋለን። ዛት ኦቨር ማይነስ 1 ኦቨር ማይነስ 1. ሶ the x value is minus 2 ኮማ ማይነስ 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ቢኮዝ እዚህ ጋር ኳድራቲክ ኢኩዌሽን ሶልቭ ስናደርግ ኦኬ ፋክተራይዜሽን ሜተድ when we get the two numbers ሁለቱን ቁጥር ካገኘን እዚህ ጋር ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኮፊሸንት ለኔጌቲቭ እናካፍላለን። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር 2 ቢሆን ለኔጌቲቭ 2 ለኔጌቲቭ 2 እናካፍላለን። ኔጌቲቭ 2 ከሆነ ደግሞ ለ2 እያካፈል ኢንሾርት ማግኘት እንችላለን። ወይ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ስንደምራቸው 3 እና ባዛቸው 2 እና 1 ነው። እዚህ ጋር 3x ቦታ 2x plus x አድርገን በፋክተራይዜሽን ሜተድ አፕላይ አድርገን ማግኘት እንችላለን። ወይ ደግሞ by using the general formulas, okay, quadratic equation ተጠቅመን ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ Question number 11, okay. If 10 the power of 2.1 10 the power of times, okay, a square root of 10 the power of 1.8 is equal to a square root of 5 times square root of 2 the power of x, okay, then what's the power of x? 10 to the power of 2.1 times the square root of 10 to the power of 1.8 is equal to square root of 5 times square root of 2 to the power of x. So what's the powers of x? The common denominator 10 to the power of 2.1 times 10 to the power of 1.8 times the power of 1 over 2. Square root is the same as 1 over 2. It's the same with the square root of 5 times 2 the power of x. So this is the same with 10 to the power of 2.1 times 10 to the power of 1.8 over 2 is equal to 5 times 2 is 10 the power of 1 over 2 the power of x. So this is the same with 10 to the power of 2.1 times 10 to the power of 1.8 divided by 2 is 0.9 is equal to 10 to the power of x over 2 So they do have the same base exponent add ማድረግ ነው 10 to the power of 2.1 plus 0.9 is equal to 10 to the power of x over 2 ይሆናል። So 10 to the power of 2.1 plus 0.9 is 3 is equal to 10 to the power of x over 2. 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 10 to the power of x over 2 when 3 is equal to x over 2 ሲሆን so both sides multiplied by 2 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 1 6 is equal to x. That means the value of x is equal to 6 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 11. So question number 12. Question number 12. If 8 to the power of x 8 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of y, then what's the value of x over y is equal to blank. 8 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of y ከሆነ what's the value of x over y? So እዚህ ጋር ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? 8 is the same with to the power of 3, the power of x is equal to 16 is to the power of 4, the power of x. Again, this is the same with to the power of 3x is equal to the power of this one is y, okay, to the power of 4y. So to the power of 3x is equal to the power of 4y if and only if, okay, 3x is equal to 4y. እኛ የተጠየቅነው ደግሞ x over y ነው። ስለዚህ both sides divided by 3y divided by 3y. Okay, 3 cancelled by 3 can get on this side x over y is equal to y divided by 1 y is 1 then you can get 4 over 3 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። So 8 the power of x is equal to 16 the power of y እኩል ከሆነ x over y is 4 over 3 ይሆናል። y over x ብንባል ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው 3 over 4 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። This one is part 1 through multiple choice part ነው። Okay, the next one is workout part ነው። Okay, workout part ነው። So solve the following exponential equation ይላል። Okay, so let's start from A. Okay, part 2 this one is part 2. Okay, part 2 A 3 to the power of 2x 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 27 the power of 3x plus 1. The value of x 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 27 the power of 3x plus 1. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? ቤዛቸውን ማመሳሰል ይጠበቅብናል። that is 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 27 is the same with 3 to the power of 3 into 3x plus 1 ይሆናል። So 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 times 3 is 9x plus 3. 3 is equal to 3, that means to the power of x is equal to 9x plus 3. So from this one, 2x minus 9x is equal to 3. 2x minus 9x is minus 7x is equal to 3. Both sides divided by minus 7 divided by minus 7. X is equal to minus 3 over 7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 13. Okay, if 3 the power of x plus 2, okay, plus 3 the power of x is equal to 10 over 81, then what's the value of x? So a 4, b minus 4, c 3, d 2. So in exponential equation እንዴት ነው የምንሰራው? Okay, 3 the power of x plus 2 is the same with 3 the power of x times 3 the power of 2 plus 3 the power of x is equal to 10 over 81 ይሆናል። So this is the same with 3 to the power of x times 9 plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 10 over 81. 3 to the power of x 3 to the power of x the common, okay? So 3 to the power of x in የጋራ ብንወስድ እዚህ ጋር ስንት ይቀራል? 9 ሲደመር እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ 1 ይቀራል። 3 to the power of x times 9 is 3 to the power of x times 9. 3 to the power of x times 1 is 3 to the power of x. So this is the same with 10 over 81. So 3 to the power of x into 9 plus 1 is 10 is equal to 10 over 81 ይሆናል። So both sides multiplied by 1 over 10 times 1 over 10. So 10 cancelled by 10, 3 to the power of x is equal to, again 10 cancelled by 10, that is 1 over 81 ይሆናል። So from this one, 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of 4 ይመጣል። That is 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of minus 4. 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of minus 4 if x is equal to minus 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 14. If to the power of x minus, okay, to the power of x minus to the power of x minus 1 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 4, then what's the power of x? Again, ተመሳሳይ ቴክኒክ ነው አፕላይ የምናደርገው። ኦኬ to the power of x minus to the power of x times to the power of minus 1 is equal to 4 ይሆናል። This is the same with to the power of x minus to the power of x times 1 over 2 ይሆናል, which is 4. So the common factor for this one is to the power of x እዚህ ጋር አንድ ይቀራል minus 1 over 2 is equal to 4 ይሆናል። That means to the power of x times 1 is to the power of x. To the power of x times 1 over 2 is to the power of x times 1 over 2. So this is the same with to the power of x into 1 minus 1 over 2 is 2 minus 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 ይሆናል። Okay, this is the same. This is equal to 4. Okay, so just it's possible to multiply both sides by 2 over 1. Okay, by 2 over 1 multiply ብናደርግ ይሄንን by 2 over 1 multiply ብናደርግ that is this cancel by this one, that is to the power of x is equal to 4 times 2, which is 8 ይሆናል። This implies, okay, to the power of x is equal to 8 is the same as to the power of 3 ይሆናል። Then the value of x is equal to 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። okay, ወይም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር okay ከዚህኛው ላይ from this one ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን? from this one, okay, from this one to the power of x into 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2 መጣልን አይደለ? 1 over 2 is the same with to the power of minus 1 ይሆናል, which is equal to 4. So they do have the same base, right? So is the same with to the power of x minus 1 is equal to the power of 2 ይሆናል። አራት ማለት to the power of 2 ነው። so ቤዛቸው እኩል ነው። from this one ምንድነው እኩል እናደርገው? x minus 1 is equal to 2 መሆን አለበት። that is x is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። that means to the power of x minus to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 4 የሚሆነው x is equal to 3 ሲሆን ለምሳሌ to the power of 3 is 8, to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2, that is 8 minus 4, which is 2 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። okay, question number 15. 15ኛ ጥያቄ if 3 the power of x, okay, plus 3 the power of x minus 1 is equal to 36, then what's the values of x? a minus 3, b 3, c 2, d 1. So 3 the power of x plus 3 the power of x times 3 the power of minus 1 is equal to 36. So it's the same with 3 the power of x plus 3 the power of x times 1 over 3 is equal to 36 እናገኛለን። So the common factor for this one is again 3 the power of x into 1 plus 1 over 3 ይሆናል, which is equal to 36. So this is the same with 3 the power of x into 1 plus 1 over 3 is 1 times 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is 4 over 3 is equal to 36. So just multiply both sides by 3 over 4 by reciprocal of 4 over 3 times 3 over 4. This cancel by this one. And 3 to the power of x is equal to by 4, 1 by 4, 9 ይሆናል። 9 times 3 is 27. 3 to the power of x is equal to 27 is the same with 3 to the power of 3. ቤዛቸው እኩል ነው። The value of x is equal to 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 15 3 which is B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Part 2 ላይ workout part ነው. Okay, this one part. So just solve the following exponential equation. So A ላይ okay, this one is part 2 workout part ነው. Okay, from 1 up to 15 must be choice no, just the other one is workout part. Okay, so A, okay, 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 27 the power of 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. So ይህን ደግሞ እንዴት ነው የምናደርገው? አሁን ወይ ቤዛቸውን ማመሳሰል ወይ ደግሞ ኤክስፖነንታቸውን ማመሳሰል አለበት። ኤክስፖኔንሻል ኢኩዌሽን ሶልቭ ለማድረግ so 3 the power of 2x is equal to 27 is the same with 3 the power of 3, right, into 3x plus 1. So 3 the power of 2x is equal to 3 the power of 3 times 3 is 9x plus 3 times 1 is 3. They do have the same base, so exponentaቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። that is 2x is equal to 9x plus 3. So from this one 2x minus 9x is equal to 3. 2x minus 9x is minus 7x is equal to 3. So both sides divided by minus 7 by minus 7. So the value of x is equal to minus 3 over 7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So that means when the value of x is equal to minus 3 over 7, 3 the power of 2x is equal to 27 the power of 3x plus 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, B, okay, B 9 the power of x, 9 the power of x is equal to 3 the power of 3x plus 2. 9 the power of x is equal to 3 the power of 3x plus 2. እኛው ደግሞ እንደምን እናደርገው 9 is the same with 3 the power of 2 times x which is equal to 3 the power of 3x plus 2 ይሆናል። They do have the same base, that is 2x is equal to 3x plus 2 ይሆናል። So 2x minus 3x is equal to 2. 2x minus 3x is minus x is equal to 2. That means over negative 1 over negative 1. X is equal to minus 2 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። Okay. B, C. C, okay. 5 the power of x cube. 5 the power of x cube is equal to 25 the power of x. Remember የምናደርገው 5 the power of x cube is equal to 25 is the same with 5 square, right? 5 is the power of 2x. 5 is equal to 5. That means x cube is equal to 2x መሆን አለበት። So x cube minus 2x is equal to 0. The common factor is x, right? X into x square minus 2 which is equal to 0. X into x square minus 2 is equal to 0 የሚሆነው x is equal to 0 or x square minus 2 is equal to 0 መሆን አለበት። That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 ይሆናል። So 5 is the power of x cube is equal to 25 the power of x የሚሆነው when the values of x is 0 or plus or minus 2. That means 0 comma minus radical 2 radical 2. This one is the solution for 5 is the power of x cube is equal to 25 is the power of x. Okay, see. Okay, D, okay, see D 8 the power of x, 8 the power of x is equal to to the power of cube root of 3x. A to the power of x is equal to the power of cube root of 3x. It is the same with to the power of 3x is equal to the power of cube root of 3x. ስለዚህ 2 is equal to 2, so 3x is equal to cube root of 3x ይሆናል። so both side cube ብናደርግ 3x cube is 27, x cube is equal to cube root and cube cancel each other, we can get 3x. Then x cube minus 3x is equal to 0 ይሆናል። The common factor for this one is 3x የጋራ ብንወስደው እዚህ ጋር ስንት ይቀራል? 9x square minus 1 which is equal to 0. 3 times 9 is 27, x times x square is x cube. 3x times 1 is 3x. So ይሄኛው 0 የሚሆነው 3x is equal to 0 or 9x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 9x square minus 1 is the same with 3x. Okay, the whole square minus 1, the whole square is equal to 0 ማለት ነው። difference of square of two numbers. ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ይሄ 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is a square minus b square ከሆነ a minus b, a plus b ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። so a 0 የሚሆነው 3x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 የሚሆነው 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 1 or 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1 over 3 or x is equal to minus 1 over 3 ይሆናል። So the true solution is 0, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So when the value of x is equal to 0 or 1 over 3 or minus 1 over 3, a to the power of x is equal to cube root of 3x. ለምሳሌ 0 ብንወስደው a to the power of 0 is 0 ብንወስደው okay, the question is a to the power of x, right? a to the power of 0 ብንወስደው a to the power of 0 is 1 and the cube root of to the power of 0 ብንወስድ okay, a to the power of 0 is 1 and to the power of cube root of 3 times 0 is 0, to the power of 0 ነው የሚሆነው okay, to the power of 0 is 1 and a to the power of 0 is 1 ይሆናል። እነዚህ ሶስቱ ሳቲስፋይ ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። okay, e 9 to the power of 2x times 1 over 3 the power of x plus 2 is equal to 27 times 3 the power of x the power of minus 2. 9 the power of 2x times 1 over 3 the power of x plus 2 is equal to 27 times 3 the power of x the power of minus 2. ስለዚህ ጋር 9 is the same with 3 the power of 2 the power of 2x times 3 the power 1 over 3 is the same with 3 the power of minus 1 the power of x plus 2 is equal to 27 is the same with 3 the power of 3 times 3 the power of minus times x is minus 2x. Okay, this is the same with 3 the power of 4x times 3 the power of minus x minus 2 is equal to 3 the power of ቤዛቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ቤዛቸው ተመሳሳይ ከሆነ ኤክስፖነንቱ መደመር ነው። that is 3 minus 2x ይሆናል። so ይሄኛው ደግሞ ቤዛቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። 3 the power of 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 3 the power of 3 minus 2x. ቤዛቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ኤክስፖነንታቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። 4x minus x is 3x minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2x ይሆናል። እቺን ወደዚህ ትራንስፈር ብናደርግ 3x plus 2x is equal to 3 plus 2 እቺን ወደዚህ ብናመጣ plus 2x ይሆናል። እቺን ወደዛ ብንወስድ plus እቺን ወደዚህ ብናመጣ plus 2x ይሆናል። እቺን ወደዛ ብናነሳልፍ ደግሞ plus 2 ይሆናል። 3x plus 2x is 5x is equal to 5 because I divide by 5 by 5 x is equal to 1 አገኛለን ማለት ነው። okay, EF okay, e the power of x square is equal to e the power of x the power of 4 times 1 over e cube e the power of 3 1 over e the power of 3. So እኛንም ምንድነው የምናደርገው? e the power of x square is equal to e the power of 4 times x is 4x times e the power of minus 3. e the power of x square is equal to e the power of 4x minus 3 ይሆናል። They of the same base. So remember, x square is equal to 4x minus 3. That is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. It's quadratic equation. So ስንደምራቸው ኔጌቲቭ 4 ስናባዛቸው 3 የሚሰጡ ቁጥሮችን እንፈልጋለን። The two numbers is minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 plus minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 3 times minus 1 is 3 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ኢንሾርት የኤክስ ስኩዌር ኮፊሽንት አንድ ነው። መልሱ ኢንሾርት ምንድነው የምናደርገው? የዚህ ኮፊሽንት አንድ ከሆነ ለኔጌቲቭ አንድ እናካፍላለን። ዲቫይድ ባይ ማይነስ 1 ዲቫይድ ባይ ማይነስ 1 ኤክስ ኢኳል ቱ ማይነስ 3 ዲቫይድ ባይ ማይነስ 1 ኢዝ ኤክስ ኢኳል ቱ 3 ኦር ኤክስ ኢኳል ቱ 1 ይሆናል። ሶ ዘ ትሩ ሶሉሽን ኢዝ 1 ኮማ 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኤፍ ጂ ኦኬ 8 the power of x times 5 the power of x the power of 3 is equal to 10 radical 10. So እዚህ ጋር ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር 8 is the same with to the power of 3x, right? So the power of 3 ነው, x is there, times 5 the power of 3x. This is the same with 10 the power of 1 times 10 the power of 1 over 2. They of the same exponent ቤዛቸው የተለያየ ነው። that means a the power of m times b the power of m ከተባለ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? a times b the power of m እናደርጋለን። so again this one is the same with 2 times 5 the power of 3x, that is 10 the power of 3x ይመጣል is equal to 10 the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 because they of the same base exponent add እናደርጋለን። 10 the power of 3x is equal to 10 the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. This implies 3x is equal to 3 over 2. Both sides multiplied by 1 over 3, multiplied by 1 over 3. 1 over 3, 3 cancelled by 3, x is equal to 3 cancelled by 3, just you can get 1 over 2 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። Okay. H, okay, 2 over 5 the power of 2 over 5 the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 25 over 4 the power of x plus 2 so ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው እዚህ ጋር 2x plus 1 25 over 4 ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው 2 over 5 the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 25 is the same as 5 the power of 2 over 4 the power of 2 the power of x plus 2 ይሆናል 2 over 5 the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 over so 5, this one is 2 square, right? ችኛዋ 4 ማለት 2 ስኩዌር ናት። this is 2 square. ስለዚህ 5 over 2 square the power of x plus 2 ይሆናል። so 2 over 5 the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 over 2 the power of 2x plus 4 2x times 2 times x 2x 2 times 4 is 2 times 2 is 4 ይሆናል። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ቤዛቸው የተለያየ ነው፣ ኤክስፖነንትም የተለያየ። ሶ ዊ ሃቭ ቱ ሜክ ኤዝ አት ዘ ቤዝ ኦር ኤክስፖነንት ሲሚላር ማድረግ ይጠበቅብናል። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ኦኬ፣ እዚህ ጋር ማወቅ ያለባችሁ ኤ ኦቨር ቢ ኢዝ ዘ ሴም ዊዝ ቢ ኦቨር ኤ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ማይነስ ዋን ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው። ቢኮዝ እስቲ ቼክ እናድርገው። this is the same with b minus the power of minus 1 over a the power of minus 1 ማለት ነው። so this is the same with 1 over b over 1 over a ማለት ነው። this is the same with 1 over b times a over 1. a over 1 which is a over b. that means a over b is the same with b over a the power of minus 1 ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። so by using that formulas, okay, 2 over 5 is the same with 5 over 2 the power of minus 1. the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 over 2 the power of 2x plus 4. 5 over 2 5 over 2 ስለዚህ እቺኛው በማይነስ እናባዛለን። minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4 ይሆናል። that is minus 2x minus 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 ይሆናል። minus 2x is minus 4x is equal to 5. both sides divided by minus 4 by minus 4. x is equal to minus 5 over 4. Okay. 10 the power of x plus 10 the power of x minus 1 is equal to 0.11. 10 the power of x plus 10 the power of x minus 1 is equal to 0.11. So 10 the power of x plus 10 the power of x times 10 the power of minus 1 is equal to 11 over 100 ይሆናል። Okay. The common factor for this one is 10 the power of x into 1 plus 10 the power of minus 1 is equal to 11 over 100 ይሆናል። So 10 the power of x into 1 plus 10 the power of minus 1 is 1 over 10 is equal to 11 over 100 ይሆናል። 10 the power of x into 10 times 1 is 10, okay, plus 1 over 10 is equal to 11 over 100 ይሆናል። So 10 the power of x into 11 over 10 is equal to 11 over 100 ይሆናል። So both sides multiplied by 10 over 11 times 10 over 11. This cancel by this one. 10 the power of x is equal to 11 cancelled by 11, okay, and 0 1 0 ትሆናለች 1 over 10 እናገኛለን። 10 the power of x is equal to 10 the power of minus 1. They of the same base, the exponentaቸው እኩል መሆን አለበት። that means x is equal to minus 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። j, okay, j 9 the power of x is equal to 4 into 3 the power of x minus 3. So what the values of x that makes this equation equal, okay? So 9 is the same with 3 the power of 2 the power of x is equal to 4 into 3 the power of x minus 3 ይሆናል። So 3 the power of 2x minus ወደዚህ ትራንስፈር ብናደርግ 4 times 3 the power of x plus 3 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። Let 3 the power of x is equal to m. This is the same with 3 the power of x the power of 2 not, okay, minus 4 into 3 the power of x plus 3 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። 3 the power of x a ከሆነ that is a square minus 4 times a plus 3 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። 3 the power of x ቦታ a replace ስናደርግ 3 the power of x a ከሆነች a square ይሆናል። 4a plus 3 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። this one is quadratic equation አገኘን ማለት ነው። ይህንን quadratic equation solve ለማድረግ ደግሞ just to find two number whose sum is minus 4 and whose product is 3 ስንደምራቸው ኔጌቲቭ 4 ስናባዛቸው 3. the two numbers are minus 3 and minus 1. minus 3 times minus 1 is 3. minus 3 plus minus 1 is minus 4. in short የa value ለማግኘት ምንድነው የምናደርገው? የኮኤፊሽንቷ አንድ ናት። ስለዚህ over minus 1 over minus 1 እናገኛለን። that means a value is 3 or a is equal to 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። just we have said that 3 the power of x is equal to a ብለናል። 3 the power of x is equal to a, which is 3. Or, okay, 3 to the power of x is equal to a, which is 1. So, in this case, 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1. That is, x is equal to 1. From this one, 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 is the same with 3 to the power of 0, because any number with 0 is 1. And from this one, we can get x is equal to 0 እናገኛለን። So, the true solution of this one is 0,1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay. J, K, okay? K to the power of x to the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to 9 into to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 0. To the power of 2x plus 2 is equal to 9 to the power of 2. 9 into to the power of x minus 2. Minus 2. So, to the power of x plus 2 is the same as to the power of 2x times to the power of 2. You know, the transfer minus 9 into to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, from this one, to the power of x times 2, the power of 2 times to the power of 2 is 4 minus 9 into to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let to the power of x is equal to a. So, to the power of x a ከሆነ that's a square times 4 is 4a ይሆናል። To the power of x is a, the power of 2 ስላለች a square ይሆናል times 4 is 4a ይሆናል minus 9 times to the power of x is a, 9 times a plus 2 is equal to 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Again, this one is a square, okay? To the power of x a ከሆነ the power of 2 ስለሆነች a square ይሆናል። Just to find two number whose sum is negative 9 and whose product is 4 times 2 is 8. ስናባዛቸው ደግሞ 8 ይሆናል። ደምራቸው negative 9 ስናባዛቸው 8. The two numbers is minus 8 and minus 1 ይሆናል። Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 8 times minus 1 is 8 ይሆናል። In short, የኤም ቫልዩ ለማግኘት እንደምናደርገው እዚችኛው 4 ስለሆነች ለስንት እናካፍላለን? ለኔጌቲቭ 4 ለኔጌቲቭ 4 እናካፍላለን። In short, factorization ከምናደርገው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ minus 8 divided by minus 4 is a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1 over 4 እናገኛለን። ወይ ደግሞ ይሄንን ለማግኘት ኦኬ by using general formula a 4 ናት b ኔጌቲቭ 9 c 2 ተጠቅመን we can get a is equal to m, a is equal to 1 over 4 እናገኛለን። but we have said that a is equal to the power of x. That means to the power of x is equal to a, which is 2, or okay, to the power of x is equal to a, which is 1 over 4. From this one, to the power of x is equal to the power of 1, or to the power of x is equal to 1 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2 square, okay, that is to the power of minus 2 ይሆናል። From this one, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2 ይሆናል። So the true solution of this one is minus 2 comma 1 ይሆናል። K, L, which is the L, okay, 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 6 over 25. ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 6 over 25 ይሆናል። And this is the same with, the common factor for this one is 5 to the power of x ብንወስድ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ይቀራል። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ 5 to the power of minus 1 ይሆናል። is equal to 6 over 25. 5 to the power of x into 1 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 is 1 over 5 is equal to 6 over 25 ይሆናል። So 5 to the power of x into just x cross ብናደርግ አንድ ሲባዛ በአምስት አምስት ነው plus 1 which is 6 over 5 is equal to 6 over 25 ይሆናል። Just multiply both sides by 5 over 6 times by 5 over 6. This cancel by this one. 5 over 6 is equal to 6 cancel by 6 by 5 1 by 5 5 ይሆናል። That means 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 5 ይሆናል። That is 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of minus 1. That is x is equal to k minus 1 ይሆናል። So the true solution of this one is minus 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So exponential equation ላይ ያለው equation ይመስላል። ቀጣይ በሎጋሪዝም ፋንክሽን ላይ እንገናኛለን። Thank you.